should you start with paid traffic or free traffic for your affiliate marketing business? Listen, believe it or not, that all depends on a couple of things. Now, first and foremost, what I would highly recommend is you definitely want to get started with free traffic strategies, regardless whether you decided to do paid traffic or not. And the reason why is because if you do have the budget for paid traffic for your affiliate marketing or your Clickbank business, right? What free traffic is going to do is it's going to go ahead and allow you to create an additional income stream that is pure profit. So that way, when you are in the testing phase of your paid advertisement and you are failing, which it is the inevitable, right? It's going to give you that wiggle room, right? So for example, if I'm running paid advertisement campaigns with money that I've made from free traffic strategies, that's pure profit. So I'm not at a loss there, right? It gives you that cushion. With that being said, the real question is not whether you should do free traffic strategies or not. Absolutely, you should be doing free traffic strategies like yesterday. Now, there's two types of free traffic strategies that you should be doing. Number one is building a personal brand. Number two is building the brand of something else. Meaning, you could either be like myself, Eric Ellis. I'm building my own YouTube channel. I'm building my own Instagram, so on and so forth. I am the face of my brand. So whenever I create my content, I'm in front of it. However, there's a couple of people that are watching this video. They're like, well, I don't want to go ahead and step behind the camera because I have a job. I don't want people to see my face. I don't want my friends and family to see me, so on and so forth. Okay, that's fine. Create a brand behind a domain name, right? So an example is something that I'm recently launching is affiliatemarketingwolf.com. And with affiliatemarketingwolf.com, I'm going to go ahead and do both, right? I'm going to be building the actual brand of the company, but I'm also going to be building the brand with my personal brand. Like Gary V has Vanner Media, and then he's the face of it. But you can also create a brand like Affiliate Marketing Wolf. You can create a brand and just stick behind the brand. You don't even have to get behind the brand. And what do I mean by that? You can go ahead and start creating content online two ways. If you want to still do YouTube and you want to do free traffic with YouTube, sorry for the trains, I'm in the city right now, Miami, Florida. So you can go ahead and create a brand, and for example, I can create slides, right? Some of the best content I've ever learned and some of the best courses I've ever bought were when people created slides, right? PowerPoint notes. So you can still deliver value to your audience without actually showing your face, right? So you can create a YouTube channel creating these slides, and with these slides, you're going to be able to create content, right? Teaching people, giving them value, and driving traffic to your affiliate offers. It doesn't matter what your niche is, right? So that's one example. Number two is if you just don't even want to like create that type of content, if you're more so of a better writer, then a good traffic strategy would be blogging, right? Just blog, guys. Blog, so on and so forth. Now the same thing for Instagram. Do you want to go ahead and create a quotes page or something with pictures and images because you don't like creating videos? Or do you want to actually create videos on Instagram? So on and so forth, right? So figure out which route you want to go. But at the end of the day, you should be doing free traffic regardless because it'll give you that cushion for when you are doing paid advertising. Now, the real question is, what is the proper budget? I believe the proper budget that should decide whether you should even entertain paid traffic or not right now should be a minimum of $750 per month. Now, why is that? That's like a magical number. The reason why is because $25 per day equals $750 per month. Sorry for the trains ahead of time again. But with $5 per day, or excuse me, $25 per day, with advertising platforms like Facebook, you can do 5 different ad sets. Now, what is an ad set? An ad set is simply an audience, right? Now, at the end of the day, if you don't have enough money to actually split test and test different variations, it's going to be a slow, painful, grueling freaking process. So if you have a $5 per day budget, there's going to be people lying to you online saying, you can, and I'm guilty, all right? I've created videos telling people that they can create Facebook ads with $5 a day. That's fucking bullshit, right? At the end of the day, if you want to actually have leverage, I've created videos teaching people how to use $5 per day and to get people to comment on their ads. And when they comment on their ads, you follow up with those people. But if you don't want to follow up with people, if you want leverage, right, and consistency, traffic is about consistency. So two things. First thing is, I would say a minimum of $25 per day, $750 per month is what you should have access to if you want to run paid advertisement. Two is you need consistency. Guys, without consistency, you're not going to be able to gather enough data to know whether or not you're running profitable campaigns or not, right? If I spend $50 over the course of 2 days and nothing happens, I just wasted my money. But if I'm consistently spending $5 per day, 5 different audiences, seeing which one is working the best, okay, this one's working terrible, let me go ahead and add another 5, so on and so forth. It's going to go ahead and allow me to test. It's going to allow me to test consistently. And when I start testing consistently, it's going to allow me to gather data to where then I can start reallocating those $5 little pockets into spending my whole $25 per day into the winner, right? And then with that winner, if it's profitable, I'm going to start being able to reinvest my profits back into increasing my budget. With that being said, number one, you should definitely be doing free traffic regardless. It should be either paid or free traffic. You should be doing free traffic. Number two, and I'm talking about for beginners, guys. If you guys are already scaling to $10,000 per month with paid traffic, guys, you don't have to do free traffic, right? I'm talking about for beginners trying to get started. For those people watching that, you shouldn't be watching this if you're making like tens of thousands of dollars per month. Once you get to that point, you don't have to do free traffic if you don't want to. But when you're getting started, to cushion your budget, you should be doing free traffic. Now, when it comes to paid traffic, I would recommend not even doing paid traffic if you don't have the budget. I would recommend spending your extra time working a job or working a second job, gathering enough income to get enough money to start setting that money aside to eventually consistently advertise with paid advertisement, right? For those of you who have been thinking, okay, I got $200, let me go ahead and start a business. It's not going to work, guys. You need money to start being able to invest into yourself and to invest into your business. So $25 a day to $750 per month. And when it comes to free traffic, you should definitely be doing free traffic. Now, for those of you who want to learn free traffic methods, who want to learn paid traffic methods, who want to learn how to create a profitable affiliate marketing business from start to finish, I have a discount. If you click the first link in the description or just the only link in the description, you guys can get access to my affiliate marketing course at a discounted rate. There are a limited amount of spots that I'm giving access to these people to this discount. Once the spots are gone, the spots are gone. But guys, if you guys want to learn how to actually manage your advertisement budget, if you guys want to learn how to actually run traffic and how to actually follow up with those leads that you're getting from that traffic, how to build funnels, how to do email marketing, so on and so forth, grab access to the course. You're either going to go ahead and do two things. Number one, you're going to go ahead and learn through your own painful mistakes, your own pain and misery, or you can just take the shortcut and learn through mine. So click below. If you guys gain value from this, go ahead and hit the thumbs up button, hit the subscribers button. And tomorrow, guys, I'm dropping heat. Look out for tomorrow's video. I'm going to be dropping a video on Facebook ads that I actually intended on dropping that today, but I wanted to make sure that I got you guys up a video around the 6 to 8 o'clock time frame. That's why I'm shooting this video from my smartphone. But tomorrow, dropping some heat, guys. If you guys want access to my course, click the first link in the description. With that being said, appreciate you guys. As always, your boy, Eric Ellis Jr. checking out.